So you take your T-square, you do a position line. So after that, you take a measurement from here. You measure from here to here is 2. Just make an arc here to start from here. Measure from here to here 2. Take your angle 90 degree. Do a position line here from this point. You get this one like this. You get this like this. You can see that the height given is what? 9. So you start from 0 here and you use 9, that is 90. So here you are using centimeter and the drawing is millimeter. So divide by 10. So mark here. So when you are done with that, you take your here at the 45 degrees, you project a line upward, and also project a line upward like this. So if you are done with that, you can now see that from here to here is what? 45 from the measurement. So you use what? 4.5. See, from 0 to 4.5 here, you mark here. The next thing for you to do is that just let's do this one. I don't want to put everything else. So do a position line like this. Extend your T-square up here and connect this one like this, and take this one, connect this one to this place to meet this point, and connect this one to meet this one. Make sure that the T-square is set to your board. Now you are done that. So next thing for you to do is that you know that the measurement given from here, the radius they use to cut this space is what? Radius 20. So what we will do is that you take your T-square, you measure from here to here 2, you do 2 centimeter here, do the same thing here 2 here. So after that, you come here, you measure 2 here, come to this other side. You can just roll it, don't make sense, you can just project it to this other side here, or measure it anyhow. So project this one here. Now the main thing I need is this one. Yeah, I need this one here. So I want to extend this one. Now this one here, I will measure angle 45 degree here, and this one here I'll measure 90 degree horizontal, vertical. When this one and this one meet together, I'll make a point here. And next thing now, this one now, because I need something like S like this, so to make a small radius that will come here. So what I need this one here, and then this one to cross here, so I can do something like this here. So I will do start. So first thing for me to start with is taking here, you can see that I put my words on 45 degree. I project this one down. Likewise, this one, let me just do the same thing here. This one, I will project this one. See this one here, I'll project it up. I'll project this one down. I'll project this one up. So next thing now is taking my T-square, pin this one here, draw the line here. Can you see? I'll mark this one. Bring my T-square here, connect this one here. Can see? I'll mark this. So I have this point. Next thing I will do is I'll take my compass now. So taking my compass, mark here, extend it to this point here. Can you see here? Can you see? So what would I do? I will join this one, this other side here. Take my compass to this point, extend it to this point here. make sure that your compass is not shaking. If you have screwdriver, you can screw it so to make it not shake. Because me, I've screwed my own. So I want to do this one. Same. That's a little mistake. Actually, I suppose use the other compass, but I don't want to stress myself. Can you see? So I'm done with that. Now, for me to not stress to do this other one here, when I've known that from here to here is true, what I just need that I know that this point is here, I can extend this one to this place here, and I will just take my ruler here. I will measure from here to here. I don't need to do all this one here. I'll just measure from this place to this place 2. You get? So this, what I need is center here. So I know that I've gotten the radius of this place here, have you? So I can do the same thing here. I'll just curve here a little bit. Can you see? So this one, the same application here. I know that the bit here is what? 2. I'll just use 2 here. Mark my 2 here. So use the same radius here. Can you see? I'll put this one here. I'll put my this here. I'll get mark. So that is simple. So next thing to do is that you connect it. So for connecting it, you take your routing pencil, you connect this one to this one, make it tangent to each other. Can you see? Extend this one, connect this one to this one. Make sure that it's beating come out, the circle is coming out small, so you can get accurate tangency. So when you are done, you take your T-square, you extend it to this point. You see here? So can you see that I'm done with that part? So my next part is, there's a small radius here which giving from here to here is 45. 45 divided by 2 is what? 22.5. So you take your this in here, you take your 2 and you take this, you mark 22.5 here. So extend this, get this 90 like this 90. So now you can see from here to here, the height given here is what? 90. So 90 divided by 2 is given 45. So you get 5 here, you mark this place. So when you are done, you now connect this, so to get the center line. So this, I've got my center, so I can do long dash. So this is center line. So the other one will now cross, yeah, long dash. So that is done. Now the diameter is 20, so the radius I will be using is what? I'll use 10. So I'll take my compass from here, bring it here. So I will mark 10 to the 4 center, the 4 lines, horizontal, and this one, and this one. So when I'm done, so I will take my, first of all, I will take my angle 45, draw this circle here because it's going to this left here. Do this one, brought it down, shift it up one here. I'll draw this one too. Bring this, start from here, put it down. So come to this space here, bring this one, bring it down, come to this space, bring this one, bring it down. So I will now be using the method. So first method that I use is that I'll make sure that I got this one here going to this horizontal. I'll make this one to be horizontal, straight, perpendicular line. So I'll be using perpendicular law. So this line, this one here, because this one I will find a line that will be perpendicular to this one. Why this one? I will find a line that will be perpendicular to this one. So this one, I will find a line, perpendicular line of this one will be going up here. Perpendicular line of this one will be going down here. So what will I do? I will start for this one first. So I will take a perpendicular line here. Can you see here? This perpendicular to this one. So I will come to this one too. This line is perpendicular to this one. So take my rod, 45 degree, go to this other side. You see, this is perpendicular. I connect this one. I have point here, and I have another point. When this one meet another one for the smaller radius, I have another point here. So the next one is, I will come here. So what's my next? My next is, I will come to this point here. I'll mark this one. I think I have marked this guy. So I'll come to this point here. I'll mark. So I have one for the smaller one. So I can call this one. I have this one that will start from here, join to this place, and I have this one here that will start from here, join to this place. So I will take this one here. You understand? I will take this, my adjustable compass. So standard diameter. So this one doesn't, the diameter of this one doesn't shake. So when you have measured it, you give accuracy. So what I will do is that I will bend this to this, put it on this point. This first, do your small circle, smaller one first. So after that, I will take this one to this point. Can you see? Make sure that it's tangent to this circle. It's also tangent to this circle. Can you see? So come to this side too. Apply the same theory. Make sure that it's tangent to this circle. So can you see it? Now this one is done, and this is the main part work. So the other one is just not. So I've done with part A. So come to the part B. Let me just close this one. Don't work. So I think I'm done with this one. So the height given from here to here, I'll first take my T-square, extend it to this point. Bring this one here, shift it to this point here, do a sweep line here. So when I'm done, I will take my ruler. I will measure from here to this place. I will use 9. Take here. I will measure from here to here. I will use 9. So, and it's 90. So I will take my 90 degree here. I'll connect this one to this place. So before I start, I'll bring this one here, center line. I will extend the center line to this point here. So I'll come here to do another center line for this middle circle here. So I'll do long dash, long dash. You can see long dash. So that is the rule on center line. Now you can see that from here to here is 15. So I will mark 15 here, and the radius I use is 25. So I will just take here, I will use 2.5 here. So what will I do? I will just take my compass here. I will have this 2.5. I will draw circle like that. So I can now come take my T-square, bring it up here, bring this one up, T-square, bring this one here. Remember that the radius from here to here is 2. So if I take my ruler here, you will see that I've gotten 2. Can you see? Here is 2, is 0, 1, 2. Can you see? Is 0, 1, 2. So I will just take my compass, I'll just place it here and shift this one. Let me just to this point here, just mark this space so I can put my point here. You use normal circle for this one because it was 90. See, it's not bending. So the same thing I will apply to this one. Mark this space. So come to this place. Yeah, can you see? Done. So take your this T-square, connect this one to this place, and take this one, connect this one to this place, take this, connect this one to this one, connect this one to this one. So before you do the other side here, this is what you will do. Just take this, do a construction line here, leave this one, come here, sorry, don't mind me, do a construction line here, come to this point here, just draw a construction line here. Now you will know that from here to here is 2, so I'll count 0, 1, 2, so I'll mark this space 2. I'll close this slide here. I know that here is 2, Abby. I'll mark 2 here. So I'll take my compass here. Now I want to do the other circle here. I know that the bit from here is 2. So what will I do? I'll place my piece in here from this origin here. I'll measure 2 here. So this is my other center line here. Take this one. What is the measurement that I use here? 25. Abi, I extend it back to this 25 here. This is the other one. Abi here. This is the other one here. Now, for me to do the other one, so what will I do here? This is what I will do. I know that here is given, Abi. I can easily mark this space like this. I extend my T-square to this place. So after marking that, I'll take this. I can do center line, close this one. Long dash, long dash, long. Abi? So bring this one here. So I've gotten this other one here, marked here. So come to this place. Can you see? Curve this one. Now next part is this one here. So for me to do this one here, what will I do? This is what I will do. I will take my this here. You can see this space here. Extend this one here. This one, the same thing here. The same thing we do here. I extend. See this one here. You extend it here. So after doing that, you take. Do you know the measurement that I use from here? This one 2. You come here, you use the same position, mark here. After marking this side, you take this one. Can you see? Can you see now? So you know the measurement that I use here, and you mark this. So you come here. Think this thing shifts, the compass shifts. So bodies are moving. Let me just shift it well. You guys will see. Yes. See, I noticed that copper and fused. That is why I'm not getting accuracy. So I'll come back to this place to mark it here. Bring it like this. So after that, work is done. You can now take your ruler, join, connect the necessary things there. Now, first thing for you to do, this one here, you can connect this one. You see this? You can connect this one to this one. This one here, you connect this. This one, you connect this one. You come to this side. You come to this side. You connect this. So come to this side here. Connect this one. And end. Come to this side here. You connect this. So can you see, these are to draw isometric, these are to draw oblique, regular drawing. So that is it. So next we